Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the script tag. So how the script tag will behave normally, how it will behave when we add the async attribute, and how it will behave when we add the defer attribute. So let's see one by one. So suppose you are loading a website and you get the response. As soon as you get the HTML in the response, so browser start parsing that HTML from top to bottom. So let's see how browser do it. So suppose this is your HTML file, right? This is your HTML file. So as soon as browser gets the HTML file from the response, it start parsing from top to bottom. We'll start from here, then the head tag, then the meta and title, then it encounter the script tag. Okay, so for now let us assume we don't have any attribute in the script tag, we have a normal script tag, right? So you see the first one, the green one, that is where browser is parsing the HTML. It starts from top to bottom, and when it encounter the script tag, right, so it start downloading the script tag, right? In this time when it is downloading, the HTML parsing is in the pause state. Okay, so it start downloading the script, so HTML parcel is waiting there. So as soon as the script is downloaded, then it will execute it immediately. In the execution phase, the HTML parsing is still in the pause state, right? So as soon as it is done with the execution of the script, so then the HTML parsing will continue. So suppose this is your script tag, and when it is downloading it, so the page will not display any content till the time it will download it and execute it. So your page is kind of a block. The content will not display on the page depending on where you have put the script tag. If you have put the script tag in the head section, so it will first download it, then execute it. Only then HTML parsing will continue, and then it will goes to the body tag where it will find the h1 tag. So only then it will show the content, right? So this is the normal scenario when we don't specify any attribute in the script tag. Now let's see what will happen when we specify the async attribute, right? If we specify async attribute, okay, so browser gets the HTML from the response and it starts parsing it. Okay, so this is where we are parsing the HTML. Okay, and when it encounters the script tag and we have the async attribute in that script tag, that means it is downloading the script tag parallelly, right? It is continuing parsing that HTML side by side parallelly. It is also downloading that script. Both thing is going parallelly. Okay, so as soon as it is done with the download of the script, so it will execute it immediately. Okay, so in this execution phase, HTML parsing is paused, right? So browser will first execute the script tag, only then it will continue parsing the HTML, right? In the execution time till the script is being executed, so this phase is a phase where HTML parsing is in pause state. Okay, so this is your async attribute. Now let's come to the next attribute, which is defer. Okay, this is your defer attribute. Again, browser will follow the same step. It gets the response, gets the HTML from the response, start parsing it. Okay, so this is the HTML parsing state. It encounter the script tag, so it will download the script tag parallelly, similarly as we are doing in the async. Okay, but the difference is it will not execute the script once it download it. Okay, it will wait for the HTML parsing to get complete. See, so once the HTML parsing is completed, only then it will execute the script. Okay, so this is the difference between the async and defer. Okay, I'll give you a scenario. Suppose you have 3 scripts on your page. Okay, and these scripts are dependent on each other, right? And you want to execute the script in the same order it is written in the HTML file. Okay, so for that you should always use defer. Okay, when you specify the defer tag, your script will always execute in the same order as it is written in the HTML file. But that is not the case with the async attribute. Async attribute doesn't guarantee you on which sequence it will execute it. It can execute in the same sequence, it can execute in the different sequence. So it doesn't guarantee. So it depends when will it finish downloading the script tag. Suppose you have 3 script tag and it will download the script 1 first. It will download the script 1, then it will download the script 3, then it will download the script 2. So it will execute in that manner only, script 1, script 3, script 2. See, so there is no sequence. So async attribute will not guarantee you the sequence. So that's the difference between two. Okay, now let's see in the coding. Suppose this is your HTML page. Then we have 3 scripts, script 1, script 2, script 3. Alright, and then in the body section we have a heading h1 and the text is this is the home page. Okay, so now let's see. Now pay attention. When we reload this page, now see what will happen. See, it will download the script 1 first, right? Then script 2, then script 3. See, there is no content that is being painted on the web yet because we have not specified anything, right? We are executing the script normally, right? Remember what we had discussed? So first it will download the script, then execute it. In this time the HTML parsing is in the pause state, right? This is the state. It download the script and execute it. Only then it will continue the parsing. So we are here. So it will download these three script and execute it. So this is not being parsed yet. This h1 tag is not being parsed yet. So that's why it is showing this script tag. As soon as click OK, see, you will see this page, this heading. This is the home page, right? So this is your normal script. That is how your normal script behave. Now let us see in case of async. Right? Remember what we have discussed in the async tag? It doesn't guarantee you that it will execute the script in the same order that it is written in the HTML file. So we have written script 1, script 2, script 3. It doesn't guarantee you. Okay. So let's try if we can replicate that. Let me add script also here in the 3 script tag. Let me add script 2, then script 3. Okay, now let's try to reload that. Script 1, script 3, script 2. You see, script 1 is execute first, then script 3, then script 2. Script 3 is being executed before script 2. See what I have told you. Async tag doesn't guarantee you the execution of the script in which they have written. Let's try one more time. Now script 2, script 3. See, now it is executing the same order. So that is the async attribute. It doesn't guarantee you the execution of the script. Order doesn't matter to async attribute when you specify the async attribute. Okay. Now let's see how defer behave. Okay, this is your defer. Now let's go to the defer, what we had discussed in the defer. So in defer, HTML parsing and script downloading is going into the parallel. They both, parsing and script downloading goes done simultaneously. Okay, but the script execution will only done after the HTML parsing is done. Okay, so these are 3 of script tag. So you see here, you will see this page before the, you will see this heading before the alert, right? You see the heading is still there before the alert, right? And the script will execute in the same order. No matter how many time I reload it, so it will execute in the same order. Script 2, script 3. I can try one more time. Script 1, script 2, script 3. Right? See, the script is written before this heading, but this will parse first, and when the parsing is done, only then these script file will execute. See, and the script will always execute in the same order. So that is defer. Okay, so let's revise one more time. In case of normal script tag, first the HTML parsing is done, then we'll download this script, then we'll execute the script. In this time, the HTML parsing is in the pause state. As soon as the script execution is done, then HTML parsing will start again. In the async attribute, HTML parsing and script downloading goes parallelly. Okay, but when we execute, once the script is available, so then it will execute it, and in this phase, HTML parsing is in the pause state, right? This is the pause state. When we are done with the execution of the script, then we'll continue the parsing of HTML. This is our async. Now let's talk about the defer. In defer, HTML parsing and script downloading goes parallelly, but when the script is available, script downloading is complete, browser will not execute that script. It will wait for the HTML parsing to get completed, only then it will execute the script. So that is the difference between these 3. Normal script with async attribute with defer attribute. So I hope you will like this video. If you find this informative, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you, take care and keep learning.